Sahulat, opportunity. America is a land of opportunity. If you are coming here, you supposed to get improve your knowledge. What are you doing here? What you have to do here? What is your plan to do? So every time make ready, get ready to what to carry on. So every time land of opportunity, meaning you are availing opportunity in America. Whenever you are moving to America, you supposed to know everything because this is a legislative country too. Land of law, every law applying in this country. So whenever you come here in America, you're supposed to know your rights. You're supposed to perform your duty. Rights and responsibility goes together.